One sunny morning, bright and clear, Cat and her kitten, full of cheer, packed their things without delay and to the garden went to play. They found a spot both calm and wide and set their tent up side by side. Beside the sunflowers tall and bright, they made a bed, a cheerful sight, with pillows soft in colors bold, a cozy place as they grew old. Mama cat with patience grace showed her kitten how to place each camping thing just right and neat to make their little home complete. As stars peeked out in soft twilight, they shared their supper by candlelight. As the sun dipped low and skies turned gold, fireflies danced in the evening cold. The kitten chased their glowing flight, a sparkling game beneath the night. By lantern light so soft and bright, Cat read a story through the night. They ate their meal as the breeze grew cold. The kitten hugged her, brave and bold. Next morning came with skies so blue. They smiled and felt the joy they knew. Their camping trip so full of grace left happy memories in that place. Beneath the trees so calm and still, they found a bird who took a spill. He hurt his wing and looked so sad. The cat and kitten both felt bad. With gentle hearts and tender grace, they wiped the tears from his face. They brought him food so soft and sweet and wrapped his wound in calm treat. They wrapped him up to keep him warm, safe and snug from any harm. They made a bed with feathers light to help him rest all through the night. The morning rose with skies so bright, they helped him spread his wings for flight. They placed him gently in his nest and waited there with hopeful rest. Then came a moment pure and true, a miracle the small bird flew. He soared above with joy and grace, a smile upon each watching face. And as he rose into the sky, a feather drifted floating by, a gift for kitten, soft and light, to hold that memory warm and bright. Beneath a tree they came to see a nest had fallen from the tree. Inside it lay a tiny bird, so small and still it barely stirred. The cat and kitten, soft and sweet, decided not to miss a beat. They picked it up with gentle care and took it home to fix it there. They gathered all they thought was best to gently fix the little nest. With loving pause and careful touch, they worked with heart and gave so much. They poured their hearts in every weave with care that only love can leave. And when it stood, both smiled with pride, a cozy nest warm deep inside. They climbed the tree with gentle care to place the nest back safely there. Upon a branch, both sat so still, with hearts that danced and hopes that filled. They waited there with quiet cheer to see the little bird appear. And when he flew back through the air, he found his nest was waiting there. With joy and thanks, he chirped so sweet, grateful for love in each heartbeat. They woke up to a brand new day and in the kitchen choose to stay. They plan to make a tasty treat, a warm and fresh and doughy eat. Mama cat with gentle care helped kitten knead the dough right there. Just as the dough was set with care, rain tapped gently through the air. The wind grew cool, the skies turned gray, but joy still danced in their warm day. The kitten spun with cheerful glee, then helped make dough balls happily. With laughter soft and paws so light, they baked their bread in morning's light. They baked the bread so warm and round, with golden crust and sweetness found. They spread the jam with gentle grace, and set the table, found their place. Then called their friends from far and near to share the joy and bring some cheer. Together they all laughed and ate and praised the pair who made it great.